Query successful. Try again without apps. Aren't those endless app notifications just the worst? That constant buzzing can turn a super helpful app like Rocket Money into a source of stress instead of savings. If you love Rocket Money's financial insights but are tired of feeling like your phone is yelling at you, you're in the right place. We're diving into the Rocket Money app right now to show you exactly how to customize your mobile notifications so you only get the alerts that truly matter. Let's make your finance tracking a little quieter and a lot more productive. It's really quick and easy to set this up. Open up your Rocket Money mobile app and look for the settings icon. That's usually a small gear located in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Once you tap that gear, a menu will slide out. Look for the option labeled Notifications and Alerts. Tap on that. Now you're in the control center for your alerts. Rocket Money breaks down notifications into three main categories: alerts, tips, and updates. Under alerts, you'll find the most crucial stuff, like when a balance drops too low or when a bill is coming up. This is where you can also tap Plus Balance Alert to customize those low balance thresholds for specific bank accounts. For example, you can tell the app, only notify me if my checking account dips below $500 instead of the default setting. Next, you have tips. These are usually helpful hints on how to save more or improve your financial health. If you feel like these are noise, you can simply toggle off the push notification switch for this section. If you still want the occasional tip but don't want your phone buzzing, you can leave the push notifications off and still keep email notifications on. Finally, there's updates. This category typically covers product announcements or new features from the Rocket Money team. Again, you have full control here. If you prefer a minimal approach, go ahead and turn off both the push and email toggles. The key takeaway here is to tailor the experience to your needs. If you only want to know about major financial events, turn off tips and updates, and carefully customize your balance alerts. The app saves your changes automatically, so you can test it out and adjust it anytime. You now have a quieter, smarter way to manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.